Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the exercise 5.6. The first question is, find the value of x if angle AOB is a right angle. You can see the figure. Okay, this is the figure which is given, AOB, which is 2x plus 3x. Okay, actually angle BOC is 2x and angle COA is 3x. Is it clear, ma? It is given that the picture angle BOC is equal to 2x degree, which is BOC is 2x and COA is 3x. They are asking us to find what is the value of x. So how to find it? We know that 2x plus 3x is equals to 90 degree because it forms a right angle. Okay, so I can write 2x plus 3x which is equal to 90 degree. It is very simple for me to find the value of x. See here, 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree, which is 5x. 5x equal to 90 degree, therefore x is equals to 90 by 5, where you are getting 18 degree. So this is the value of the x. So after finding this, you can write what is 2x, 2 into 18. Okay, 2 into 18 is 36 degree, right? So you can write here this is 36 degree, and what is the value of 3 into 18? Okay, so 54 degree. So 2x and 3x we wrote. Okay, then the second question is, in the given figure, okay, find the value of x. It is given that AOB and 2x plus 23 and then 3x minus 48. We know that this fully is equal to 180 degree. நமக்கு தெரியும் AOC and COB. Totally we know that it forms a straight angle, right? So we can write 2x plus 23 plus 3x minus 48 is equal to 180 degree. So that we can find the value of x very easily. Okay, just let me show you now. See here, the value which has been given right like this, 2x plus 23 degree plus 3x minus 48 degree is equal to 180 degree. So it is degree. Okay, so we can write like this. And then, so adding these two, 2x and 3x, 5x. And 23 minus 48, when you do, you will be getting minus 25, which is equal to 180. So 5x equal to, if this 25 goes that side, automatically it is 205. So x is equals to 41. So the value of x is 41. It's clear, ma? Then the third question is, so in this what you can do here is, they asked only to find the value of x. So we have founded the value of x, and if you want we can write 2x plus 23, which is x value also we can substitute, and we can write angle AOC and angle BOC. What is that we can give? Okay, then third question is, find the value of x, y and z. Is it clear? This is the two lines are intersect each other. The line CD the line CD and BA intersect with each other. Okay, so in this we can say that the opposite angles, this and this will be equal and this will be equal. Is it clear? So when the lines intersect with each other, opposite angles will be equal. So what we can do here is, now we are going to find out the value of x, y and z. All the three variables we are going to find out. But we know that when the straight line is cut by a transversal, when the line is, so automatically this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Yes, if this is a straight line. Okay, when it cut by another line, automatically we can say that this fully is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 3x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Is it clear, ma? We can take in that way. So x plus 3x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x plus x is equal to 4x. 180 minus 40 is 140. And what is the value of x? 140 by 4, because 4x is there. So you will be getting the value as 35 degree. Is it clear? We got only the value of x. Then we should get the value of z and y. We know that z plus 10 degree is equal to 35 from the picture. So z plus 10 is equal to 35. Therefore z is equal to 10 will go to that side. So automatically it is 25. Z is equal to 25 degree. Then after finding that, we are equating this equation and this equation to get the value of y. Because we found out what is x and what is z, we have completed. Now 3x plus 40 is equal to y plus 30. Then automatically you will be getting the value of y is equals to minus 10. Is it clear? And then after finding that, so we are finding the 3 into 35 minus y. So the value which we are getting here is, so it is 105 minus y, which is equal to minus 10. Then after doing this process, now see minus y is equal to, if that 105 goes that side, become minus 115. Then we will get the answer to be y is equal to 115. So we got the answers x, y and z. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Now then fourth question is, two angles are in the ratio 11:25. If they are linear pair, find the angle. That is the question. See the fourth question. Two angles are in the ratio. Ido ratio la irukku 11 and 25. If they are linear pair means sum of that will be equal to 180 degree. We know that. So 11x plus 25x is equals to 180 degree. அப்படி நம்ம போடலாம். Okay. So that you know, if you add, you will be getting 36x, and automatically when you cancel, you are getting x is equals to 5 degree. Appo after I should know what is the 11x value and what is 25x value. 11x is equals to 11 into 5, so you'll be getting 55 degree, and 25x is equals to 25 into 5, you'll be getting 125 degree. It is clear. So that is the answer for this fourth equation. Okay. Now the fifth equation you can take it as a homework, because it's very simple. The picture is also they have given. They are asking you whether it is a linear pair, supplementary or adjacent angles. This all we have discussed already. So you can take this fifth equation to be the homework for you. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Then sixth equation. Okay. The sixth equation is, it is given that in the figure POQ, ROS and TOU are straight lines. Find x degree. They are asking us to find the value of x degree. So what we can do here is, we can add all the values. We can equate to 180 degree. So that we can get what is the answer for this question. Okay. So 36 plus 47 plus 45 degree plus x degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So 128, when you add all the values, you are getting 128. 128 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equals to 52 degree, which is the answer for the question. Is it clear? Okay. Then the seventh question. See, the seventh equation is, in the figure AB is parallel to DC. அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it is your AB. AB is parallel to DC. இதுவும் parallel. Find the value of angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 ஓட value, angle 2 ஓட value கேட்குறாங்க. See, if I draw one, if I extend this line, because this and this is parallel, அப்போ இது transversal இருந்ததுன்னா, this value and this value, it's alternate angles. ஓகேங்களா? So if it is alternate angles, means angle 2 is 80 degree, I can tell very easily. Why? Because these two are alternate, so angle 2 is equal to 80 degree. Now we have to find out what is angle 1. So now we have to find out angle 1 means, first I should know value of this. Yes, then it will be easy for me to find the angle 1. But actually பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, this is a triangle. So sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. அப்போ 30 plus, this is 80, நம்ம இப்போ தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். So 80 plus 30 is 110. So 110, 180 minus 110. So this value is your 70. Okay, 180ல வந்து 110 subtract பண்ணோம்னா, we will get the answer as 70. அப்போ இங்க வந்து நமக்கு 17 வந்துருச்சு. அப்போ this fully is 180 degree. இப்போ 70 plus 80 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it is 150. So the angle 1 is 30 degree. Is it clear? ஏன்னா இது ஃபுல்லா நமக்கு வந்து 180 degree. இது 80 degree தெரியும். Now I found out that this value is 70. Okay, by using the property of the triangle. So 70 plus 80 is 150. அப்போ what is the remaining here? 30. So the angle 1 is 30 degree. Okay, then the last question in this exercise, in the figure AB parallel to CD, it has been shown that this is your AB. AB is parallel to CD. This and this are parallel. Okay, two parallel lines. By the transversal, this is a transversal. Now find x, y and z value. They are asking us to find the value of x, y and z. Here we can see that this and this are corresponding angles, right? Already we discussed that what do you mean by corresponding angles. So that y and z are the corresponding angles which are on the line. So if this is 42 degree, now this is also 42 degree. How this is 42? Because this and this is alternate. Alternate angles are equal. So if this is 42, this is also 42. If this is 42, this is also 42. Therefore y and z I found it out. Now my aim is to find out what is x. So this is a straight angle, right? And this all is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Appo x plus 63 and 42, if I add means I am getting 105. Appo x plus 105 is equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Because I am going to find out what is my x. X என்னன்னா நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். நமக்கு தெரியும் this is a straight angle. So x plus 63 plus 42. What you will get? X plus 105, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 105, which gives you 75. that is the value of the x. Okay, that's it. Thank you.